Good morning from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2017 BMW 330i xDrive. This 330i is showing just over 38,000 miles. If you would like to see a high-resolution detailed photo set, please reference the listing at AlphaCars.com. There you will also find a free included Carfax report verifying that this vehicle has an accident and damage-free history and only one previous owner. You will also find a long list of technical data related to this vehicle's remaining tire life, brake pad life, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth gauge. It's also worth noting this vehicle does have a factory warranty in effect until November 30th of this year, 2021, or 50,000 miles, whichever comes up first. But today I'll give you a quick tour of this vehicle, show you some of the condition and the factory options fitted to this vehicle. Starting on the exterior, we're looking at this Venetian blue metallic paint. It's a beautiful color and not one that you see too often. It's this very nice deep blue color to it. A lot of metallic quality in the sunlight as well. And it plays with the silver accents and the silver wheels as well very nicely. I love the way this car looks on the exterior. You can see here on the front fascia, the headlights are in beautiful condition. You do have that beautiful design of the headlights from BMW, as one may expect. The headlights look great when the daytime running lights are on. Those little halos look really cool. See the chrome surrounds on the classic BMW kidney grills look great. And despite finding a couple minor instances of touch-up used on the front bumper, it presents very beautifully on the nose. As we carry down the passenger side of the vehicle, we'll start looking at these wheels. You can see these split 5-spoke wheels in wonderful condition. These are a 17-inch wheel, and you will find minimal, if any, curb rash on the outside lip of the wheels, and the tires have plenty of life remaining as well. As I take us around to the back of the vehicle, you're going to find the tail lights in perfect condition, and the rear bumper looks spectacular. Carrying down the driver's side, again, you'll find the paint to be in very similar condition, and of course those wheels, really no curb rash to be found. They look phenomenal, and as you can see, those tires have plenty of life left. Next up, I'm going to take you onto the interior and give you a quick tour there. Moving on to the interior, you're going to find a beautiful contrast with that blue paint, this nice tan beige leather. I really love the way that this plays off of that blue paint. As you can see, quick note, with the sun coming in, you can see that beautiful metallic quality of the paint really brings out that deep shine. Looks stunning. But as you can see here, the bolsters are in perfect condition. No issues on the stitching, no discoloration, especially here on the outside bolster, where you would expect to find the most damage in the entire interior. Really does look wonderful. Now, as I hop inside, you'll find a very attractive kind of dark wooden trim that carries on the dashboard and onto the center console here. You can see your controller and the center console here. All of the buttons are in phenomenal shape. And same goes on the stereo and climate controls. Everything in here just looks perfect and is in awesome condition. Again, same story on the steering wheel. Of course, I'm going to start it up. Key is in my pocket, one foot on the brake. Fires it up with one touch. As you can see, these lights will clear and you'll just have the seatbelt warning on there. Of course, the infotainment system fires up without an issue. You do have a nice backup camera as well. Of course, you also have a navigation system, as well as many other useful features in this infotainment system. Of course, a couple cup holders, which can be concealed if necessary, heated seats up front, and it's little things that really make a difference in these cars. Like if you just touch on your different presets, it'll actually show you what the preset function is. So it's nice to be able to adjust the preset without having to commit. You can actually tell what you're going to be adjusting. Of course, nice sunroof as well. That's a factory option. This vehicle is fitted with around $8,000 worth of factory options. You have really nice lumbar adjustment on the seats. Very, very comfortable place to be. And of course, it's in just beautiful condition all around. So next up, I'm going to pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. Okay, making our way up to the engine bay, you're going to find all the plastics in just beautiful condition. Of course, a low mileage engine bay, and you would expect it to be this clean. As you look deeper into the engine bay, you can see everything's very clean, idling very happily. I'll let you hear it uninterrupted for a moment. Of course, this is BMW's tried and true 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, plenty of power, great fuel economy, and of course very reliable, really ticks all the boxes, and it fits very well in this platform on the 3 and 4 Series. I'm going to carry around to the rear seating area next. Of course, you'll find it all to be in just wonderful condition, of course no different than the front. Of course, you do have this nice drop-down armrest as well with a couple cup holders in there as well. It does function as intended. I just didn't push the button enough. As you can see, works no problem. As I hop in, sitting behind myself, being about 6'4", you can see I do have plenty of knee room, especially thanks to those cutouts in the seats. Of course, you do have your own vents back here. Nice, comfortable place to be. Of course, it gives you a nice view of the front compartment as always. And next up, I'm going to take you back to the trunk. Of course, making our way to the trunk, plenty of space back here, a nice 40-20-40 split on the seats, and they fold down using these levers here and here. Spacious trunk in great condition. As you can see, you can fit just about anything you need to just back here. Closes down no problem. So if you have any further questions related to this 330xi, please reference the listing at alphacars.com, and there you will find all relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day. We hope to hear from you soon.